Welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Pat. Today we're going to take a look at the big here. It's a 2000 model 3560. So since we're already standing here up front, this is a storage area where your batteries are at, and it's pre-wired for a generator. Let's go check out the inside. This unit is rear living, so we have everything in the back here. Nice, comfortable leather couches. Two recliners that have massage and heat. Very nice. Entertainment system here. A very large 58-inch TV. And electric fireplace. These are nice when you're hooked up to shore power, so you can use electricity versus burning up propane. Nice island kitchen. Has a smaller sink and then a bigger sink. It's kind of nice to have it that way. The Furrion 3-burner stove has an oven and convection microwave. So that's nice. You'll have two versions of cooking there. Nice residential refrigerator. Big freezer, big refrigerator. Storage pretty much everywhere on this unit. As we go up towards the master bedroom, again, lots of storage. The Jack and Jill door for the bathroom, so if people are staying in the unit, they don't have to come through the bedroom. The sink, a nice size shower. And here in the master bedroom, you see a lot of space. This is actually a double slide, so the bed's on one slide and the other one's on the other, so it gives us all this nice space up here, and a nice entertainment system and fireplace, and then some nice closets there, some shelves to put stuff on, lots of cabinets again. These are magnetically held. Very large area to store things in, and a hookup for cable and power for TV if you want to have that outside. This unit is equipped with two 7-gallon propane tanks, one on each side of the unit. So here's that double slide that we talked about up in the master bedroom. The second tank. This unit's equipped with auto level, so you disconnect it from your truck, hit the auto level button, it'll take care of the rest for you. On this unit, it is designed for all seasons. The tanks are heated, and in the space, anytime the furnace is on, it's getting heat down to the tanks. And this is where all your wastewater controls are at, and water controls. And I think that's about it. Thanks for watching the video. Again, this is Pat with Guarantee RV in Junction City, and my email address is on the link below. Thank you.